All right, this is absolutely crazy. I just found out that this video I posted just 7 days ago when Grok Bot first dropped, there was an option where you can get SuperGrok Heavy for 1 month for free. And I figured that was going to be the end of that. But then I started doing a little more digging and I realized that Grok Bot and Cursor Ultra are a permanent addition to having a Super Grok Heavy subscription. And if you don't even know what Cursor Ultra is, that's a $200 plan from Cursor. And what is that? That's access to the latest Grok model, 20 times pro limits on agent mode, which is a mode inside Cursor. And then you get access to frontier models, all the frontier models, any of the latest ones. This includes access to Grok 4.6, Composer, Claude Opus. Composer's owned by Cursor. And you get Opus 5, Opus 4.8. There's so many more selections. These are just the ones I have that I use. And you get access to that 100% for free if you have a Super Grok Heavy subscription. I tried looking online. There's nowhere that posts this on X. There's nowhere on their pricing pages that highlight this. I don't work for the company. I could care less. I just thought it was an amazing deal that people need to be highlighted. And I know I wasn't alone in the confusion because there was posts in the Cursor forums asking these very questions. And one of the staff members reported that yes, there's a mismatch and it's on their end. And as long as your Super Grok Heavy subscription is active, that 1 month wording was wrong. And you can remain a Cursor Ultra subscriber for free. No credit card required, nothing. You don't need to enter in any credit cards. You don't need to enter in anything. There's no payments here, nothing. 100% for free. Not only does that include Cursor Ultra, that's also going to include the new Grok Bot. The new Grok Bot's included 100% for free as long as you're a Super Grok Heavy subscriber. So if you calculate both of these, that's $500 of AI credits, and you get that essentially for 100 because you're getting this for free, and you're not having to pay for Grok Bot, which is its own allotment of AI usage. And you also can use Super Grok Heavy, which has Grok Imagine. You can create images, you can create videos. It's an extreme amazing value, which I just had to share because I don't think it's being highlighted too well. And if you want to lock in with that offer, I would do so as soon as you can. They used to have an offer where it was $100 to try out Super Grok Heavy for 3 months. I don't know if that's still the case, but man, this value is just enormous. Had to share it. So if you've been looking to use Grok Bot, if you've been looking to use Super Grok Heavy, if you've been looking to use Cursor, all you need to do is get a Super Grok Heavy subscription, and you get a $200 subscription through Cursor, and you get Grok Bot. Those are all three separate allotments of AI usage. Your Super Grok Heavy is one, and then your Cursor is another, and then your Grok Bot's another. That's extreme value. So that's all I had today for this video. Y'all have a great rest of your day.